Hi guys, today I'm going to mukbang.
To mukbang or review the taste? This will be your first time to eat that, right?
Review.
Diba? Shasha is about to review this, guys.
I love mango.
Fruity with fruit pieces. This is not a paid promotion, okay? So Shasha will check the taste.
Expiration?
Hindi pa naman yan expire. Bagong-bago pa yan. Bagong labas nga lang yun eh. Oh, sige na. Taste ko na. Yoo-hoo! That is a food that is best in treating constipation problem or prevention of
6 out of 10.
Hindi masarap.
Oh, kunti.
Tama lang.
Kunti.
Hindi mo nagustuhan.
Kunti lang.
Sige na, kain mo. Yung pa nga nakakain, 6 out of 10 ka na. Very healthy yan kasi guys, berry yan guys.
Ang taste mo nga.
Mixed berries. Pag berries kasi sa bata, pag berry fruits kasi very healthy yung mga berries na yun.
3 out of 10.
Masarap yan, very healthy yan.
Sarap.
Masarap.